When working with a contractor, it's important to make sure that both parties are communicating. Opal Enterprises has some helpful tips on what you should be asking during those big projects. Take a look.
A homeowner should contact a specific trades contractor when the project exceeds that homeowner's capabilities. First and foremost is be aware of what's important to you as the homeowner. Every homeowner is unique, but if you're able to identify those qualities that are the most important to you, it'll help you align yourself better with the contractor that can provide those. So there's a couple of do's and don'ts. Don't make any assumptions that the contractor knows what is inside your head. A do would be write down key elements of conversations. Homeowners typically meet between 3 and 6 contractors for their project, and it's very easy to confuse which contractor said what. Do acknowledge and adhere to your homeowner responsibilities for the project. During any remodeling project, there can and will be some issues that will arise. Prevention is always key. Make sure that your contract is very clear and concise and everything is written down. And then second, make sure and identify problem resolution paths. And it's also very important to have face-to-face communications and try to limit text and emails when there's an issue. If you can have those face-to-face meetings, it will eliminate any tone or inflection misunderstandings.